My name is Zeynep Akata. I'm a professor of computer science at the Technical University of Munich, and I'm an institute director at Helmholtz Munich. In my research, we have a couple of different dimensions where we use computer vision data and contrast it with language and other modalities such as audio as well. And our aim is to align different modalities with each other so that we can say, for example, when an object appears in an image, in a particular region in that image or video, this object appears and the model makes the decision based on a certain thought process. We can reveal the thought process of the decision maker. We can also point to the evidence of the decision in a post hoc manner after the decision has been made. On the other hand, currently the most prominent approach for doing vision and language alignment is to use foundation models like ChatGPT, and we are trying to understand how we can personalize these models to different user types. For example, if the user is colorblind, if the user sees black patches in the image, the model needs to be able to adapt to the vision system of that particular user when it explains the decision. We also are interested in applying foundational models to different data streams, like applying it to medical data, where it is important to make the decision in an interpretable manner. For example, we would like to understand which parts of the decision maker mechanistically is responsible for a certain decision, and if we can find certain neurons, for example, in the model that is responsible for recognizing certain concepts. These foundation models are very complex structures, and they usually work in a black box manner. So we are trying to open up the black box and make it more transparent to the user. I do research in explainable machine learning because these models are inevitably permeating in our lives, because they are performing well in a lot of the use case scenarios that affect all our lives. We would like to advocate a society where we make use of technology as much as possible, because these technologies can help us build a better, a stronger society for us. But at the same time, we would like to understand them while we are working with them. For example, if I have a colleague, I'm working with a colleague who supports me in making a decision, then I can easily talk to that colleague and understand what their point of view is, how they came to a certain conclusion, what kind of biases they are being affected from, and so on. I would like to be able to treat machines in the same way and be able to understand how they come to these conclusions, these decisions. It's a great honor to have received this prize from the German Academy of the Sciences with the contributions of Commerzbank Foundation. As a researcher who has spent already quite some time in this country, but still a foreigner, it's a great honor to be recognized in this manner. With every award, one realizes that this opens up new opportunities, because one gets known a bit more in the society. I can imagine that with the help of this award, I will be able to obtain more research funding, expand my research group. I'm very excited about the award ceremony, where I'm going to meet with a lot of interesting and important people. I feel like I will be one of the faces of Leopoldina, and I will carry this responsibility for the rest of my life.